Buenas noches. I should say good morning, really. It's pretty early in the morning. I was going to go on a little ride of the solar system with you guys tonight, but I've opted for something else. Totally random, but I'm going to introduce you to the world of logic and common sense. I'm going to show you how fast and scalpel-like logic can be, all right? So, you say they went to Mars. I know they didn't, okay? Not like they say they did. They may have crashed into Mars at 25,000 miles per hour, but there hasn't been a controlled landing on any of the planets, I don't think, right? Now, let me prove to you, using common sense and logic, keep looking at the bulb like it's the camera, like a moth. Common sense and logic is going to shut Mars down before it's even landed. Leave your comments, and then tomorrow I'm going to go into the rest of what you're about to see. I'm only going to do the first 15 seconds. Enjoy. Perseverance rovers. Descent and touchdown on Mars onboard camera views. Buckle up, Dorothy. She's about to get bumpy. Yeah, literally, bumpy.
Starting the straighten up and fly right maneuver, where the spacecraft will jettison the entry balance matches in preparation for parachute deploy and to roll over to give the radar a better look at the ground.
Top indicates chute deploy.
Real time on the right.
Navigation has
30
confirmed
speed.
that the parachute has deployed, and we are seeing significant deceleration in the velocity. Our current velocity is 403 meters per second at an altitude of about 12 kilometers from the surface of Mars.
Again.
A look at the ground.
Top indicates chute deploy.
The navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed.
Two things here. Navigation has confirmed that the parachute has deployed. I thought there was a 5-minute delay between signals from Mars and Earth. 8 minutes and 20 to get here from the sun, 13 minutes to get to Mars from the sun. What is it that told her that the parachute had just opened? That's one thing. The second thing, real time on the right, 30% speed on the left. Look at the arms. Look at the arms. That's 30% speed. Look at that arm. Look at the arm in real time. Do not tell me that that is the same arm. Look at the pattern. There's two fans in the middle, aren't there? Like two fans. See the top one at 12 o'clock. It goes to like 2 o'clock. It's like a fan. Now look. That fan isn't there. Now, there is only one question. One immediate question I need to know straight away. How many parachutes? Is that 2 different parachutes and they're showing us 2? Alexa, how many parachutes were used to get to drop
from Apollo 11 space.
Alexa, let me finish the question.
During the Apollo 11 mission,
darling.
3 main parachutes were
Alexa,
deployed for the Earth landing
Alexa,
command module.
Excuse me? Alexa, how many parachutes were used to descend Perseverance and Ingenuity to Mars?
From americaspace.com. During its 26th flight, Ingenuity flew over Perseverance's parachute and shattered back shell, which played a vital role in delivering both vehicles safely to Mars.
one chute. All right, Alexa, how many parachutes were used to get Perseverance and Ingenuity down onto Mars?
From MyModernMet.com. When the Perseverance rover landed on Mars on February 18, 2021 to begin its 2-year mission, it was aided by a 70.5-foot wide parachute.
One parachute. Okay, that's the only question I need to ask right here, right now, because what I'm seeing are two different arms. The pattern is the same, but it's turned different degrees. That is not the same footage. That is not the same arm. That means that is not real. Leave your comments. Tell me why it's not real. And I'll tell you why they didn't go to Mars tomorrow when I carry this on. Buenas noches, peeps.